Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create your first blog post. Let's begin. So here is the posts button. Then you can go and create new post here. This is title. So you can this was like something about planning birthday parties, okay? Cake ideas for birthday party for kids, right? Something like that. Cake ideas for birthday party for kids. Okay, well, okay. And I still some text again. I will still some text. Don't do this. You have to write your text. But this is just an example. Okay. Okay. And of course, in my beautiful blog post about cakes, I can add YouTube videos. For example, it's like cakes for kids. Okay. Let's see if we find something. Oh, birthday girls. That's nice. Let's take this one. So we have this one, and we can take another one, which will be like something like so I do this. Okay, fine. You get an idea about this. Can we move it? We can maybe we can move it. I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. So, and if you want to add, let's say, image. Let's get some cake image. I went to Pixabay. You can get free images from Pixabay, and I wrote here cake. And then I think, for example, that let's say that I like this picture, so I take this. Then you just download it. Oh no, did I click some ad or something? Oh no. So I click add. I was like too busy clicking. So okay, I download it, and I go to here, put it in downloads, and then I go back to this post, and I want to add this image here. I choose it from here, right? Cake, right? Yes, and that looks very nice. Let's see if this has any featured images or something like that. Okay, you can schedule your post, but we are not doing it right now because we have to publish it and to see how it looks. So you can also label it such like cakes, birthday, whatever, party, kids, parenting, and so on. Okay, let's hit publish, and let's view this. Okay, it's loading, and this is how your blog looks like at this point. So I think it looks very nice. So yeah, you have to write more posts, and then they will come here, and you can edit your widgets, and you can edit your layout and add more widgets in your gadgets. They are called gadgets in this. So this AdSense is about ads, and you can add some banners, for example, or for your profile, or let people to follow your blog, which is a good idea, of course. You can make a list of links if you have like other cake blogs or birthday blogs or party planning blogs or whatever. You can write text, some message for your readers. So you should go just like one by one and see what is good for you. I don't recommend to put translate because it is not so it doesn't work so well, so you don't want to put that. And I don't recommend to put Google Plus followers because this service is going to shut down soon. But you can put contact form so people can reach out to you, for example. So yeah, okay, thank you for watching.